Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see Visual Studio Code extension that can help us for indentation in CloudFormation templates. Usually when we route CloudFormation template, be it JSON, be it YAML, sometimes it's very difficult to troubleshoot what exactly is the issue, and when you come to know that there is an indentation issue, it should be very easy for you to add the indentation. Now, to add the indentation, there is one specific extension being provided by VS Code that you can download. I mean to say you can install it and you can see how it can help you in the correction of indentation in your CloudFormation code. Let me show you how to install it and let me show you how it can help you in correction of your indentation in CloudFormation YAML template. So before we move ahead with the installation and the example how it can be used, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump to our Visual Studio Code. So guys, this is my Visual Studio Code. So over here, I will just use search for, I will go to extension. So under extensions, I will search for Indent. Indent 1. So if I go down, so guys, this is the extension that I'm talking about. And if you see how it helps, you can select all the code that you want to indent. And once you select it, you can use space or tab to indent it based on your requirement. So I will just install it. So guys, as you can see, it is very easily installed. Now I will just go back and I will create a YAML template over here. Test.yaml. So in test.yaml, I will show you if you're writing a CloudFormation code over here. So for example, if I'm using a parameter. So in parameter, by any chance, if I miss to provide an indentation over here, that is double space, what it will do, I will just go to VPC. I will launch any one of the resource. If you see, it has not taken the indentation automatically. But if you are going to run this CloudFormation template, while validating, it will throw you error and it will say you that there is some issue. So that issue is nothing but that is an indentation issue. So in that use case, what you can do is just copy all this line and just click on space, and based on your requirement, you could do the indentation over here. Indentation in YAML is very important as part of CloudFormation templates. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.